Do you want to avoid a mistake in business? I made the mistake. That's how come I'm qualified to talk to you about it. Pay yourself first and suck your business dry. Why are you in business? Are you in business to employ people, give back to your community, or are you in business to make you and your family filthy, stinking rich? And honestly, that's the only reason you should be in business. The rest of these are just benefits for being in business. You have to take care of the owner. A business that doesn't take care of the owner will not be around very long because the owner will be tired of working for free. Okay, in the house business, you're going to get big chunks of money from terms deals and big chunks of money from wholesale and big chunks of money from rehabbing and retailing. Okay, so this money comes into your account and it should be adding up if you're continually marketing and continually doing deals. Okay, thing is though, you shouldn't leave all that money in your account. You should be your biggest expense in operating your business. You should take more out than you need and put it in your own personal account. So now it no longer belongs to the company. If it's an LLC, you're going to take it out as a distribution. There's no taxes on that because you're going to pay the same amount of taxes whether you leave it in the LLC account or whether it goes into your personal account. But the reason that you're working is to have a strong cash flow in your personal life as well as good cash flow in the business life. Business got to survive. So I'm not saying take the money out, and just take out what the business needs to survive. In other words, your operating entity, you're probably an LLC. That's the one you spend the money to buy leads, to get Pat Live, take your 24-hour calls, to get RVAs to make calls for you and fill out property information sheets. And you're going to want to attend seminars and invest back into your education, which will produce handsome dividends on your money. So when you take all that out and your operations of your automobile and you know, phones and copiers and so forth, in my business management boot camp, we have a session where we go right down that list, and it surprises some people everything that they have to pay from their business account. In fact, we compare businesses. I got 3 or 4 up on stage that are all buying and selling houses, and the goal is for them to calculate what they need to break even every month. Okay, and once you get that number, then you can easily see how much is left over, and hopefully there's a lot of it. So you've got to decide how much do I want to pull out of this business and pull it out. And again, LLC is the easiest way to do that. If you take it out of a C corporation, you're probably going to have to take it out of salary and pay FICA and FUTA on it, which your CPA is going to like. So either way, you're the #1 priority in your business. Everything else can wait till you get paid. Now you build up your personal account. The business is probably going to hit points where it needs more cash. Well, you can always loan it to your LLC and then pay it back when your LLC gets more money. So the worst thing you want to do is leave everything that you make back into your business, because if you do, you know it's going to find itself a home, and you're still going to feel like you're broke all the time because you're not sucking money out of it. Suck your business dry. You and your family are the only reasons you even have a business. You're the #1 priority. If you don't, all the money is going to be spent on stuff. Plus, the less money you have in that operating account, the tighter you'll control that money, and the less non-relevant spending you're going to do. And because you have to, because the money's not in the account, and you don't want to be loaning it any money. So you start by loaning that LLC, spending $1,000 to form the LLC, but any money you loan it after that is going to be a loan, not a contribution, because you know you got to be careful. You might be paying taxes on contributions that you're taking out of it. Well, not on an LLC you won't though, but I put it in as a loan, and there's no tax there, and I pull it back out as a loan repayment, and there's no tax there. So anyway, get out your checkbook and take a look at what all you spent in your business, and then also add all of those things that you should be spending out of that LLC that you can write off as a business expense, because I promise you there's some there you should have written off. And so this operating entity shouldn't be making much money every year, because you're going to take it out one way or another and just leave enough in there to operate on. If you want to learn more, just click on the link below.